Hi guys, it's Prodigy Girl, and for my first video, I'm going to show you how to catch Mimic. So, let's go ahead and find him in the pet book. Here he is. So this is Mimic, and this is how he stays. And Mimic is about this. Look out! Not all treasure chests are full of treasure. Sometimes it's a mimic in disguise. His stats are so he can last longer in a battle, but he won't affect that much. Because, as you can see, he has less power than Heart. And his element is water. So, now let's go back. And let's go ahead and exit the house. Feel free to pause the video. So we're going to go to Shipwreck Shore. And now, oh, there's a monster here. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to battle this one in order to get on. So I'll be right back after the battle. Okay guys, I'm back from the battle, and now we're going to go on top of the shipwreck. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here so we're going to go over here so we can avoid the monsters over here so we can prevent from battling. Now over here, we're going to have to battle all this truckle. Unless you guys have a different monster. So, I'm going to go ahead and battle that, and I'll be right back once again. Okay guys, I'm back from the second battle, and now we're going to go in here. And then, we're going to click into this sand dune. Little tornado looking thing. And there you have it, right here. It doesn't matter where it is. It could be where this river neek is, or where this mimic is. But it doesn't matter where it is, because it's the same one. So, so you can go ahead and go battle it to catch it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.